Hey guys, welcome back to Banjo Kazooie, and today I'll be showing off this little fella right here, and also some of my other vehicles, and this one is pretty small. By pretty I mean very. Hold on. Don't ask why there's no, sort of like a Batmobile, and that happens when you try to get up ramps, crashes, and bangs itself. And if you want a tutorial, that there will be one on my channel later on, because I'm going to improve this. I am just making sure you guys know that. Okay, what you're really here for is my motorcycle. And yeah, you can just basically here, done, basically, but not really. Okay, I will actually show you how to make it perfectly. Perfect. Super. You place a super one right there. Super wheel. I don't even know what a super one is. I do not have all the super parts, but I will shortly be getting all of them. If somebody in the comments tells me where all of them are. I got the one very close to Mumbo's Motors, and the one that it's Ghost. Yeah, the Ghost ones. Fuel. The horn, I do really not know why a horn would stop them from being on a bridge. Super. And then add one of these, and then put that down, and one over there. Oh. And then place another one, and another one right there. And then place one here, one here, one here, and one there. Here is the motorcycle. Very fast, very non-controllable. Don't go high speed. Lower down your speed when you're trying to go ramps, or else this will happen. It'll start to spark, and yeah. Ow. Yeah. This is one of the I did not know this was here. I really did not notice that was here. I found a glitch. And some people I've seen had other people like Humba, Kazooie, not Kazooie, but Mumbo in the Tesla track. I didn't know if that was a real place. If it is, please leave that in the comments. But if it's not, just leave no message. Okay. another tutorial is how to make a awkward vehicle. Awkward, no. Oh, here it is. I kind of, never mind, because that I worked so hard on, and I do not want to replace that. I think I just did. What you want to get, the first thing you want to ever place down, is 4 super cubes, and then at the very end have one going like this, and then another going like that. Just saying no. It's ready. And then have another one, and another one, and it's like almost like a scorpion tail. But here is what it awkwardly turns into. It's gonna turn into. Yeah, it's just for no reason there. I just wanted to make it look good. It's gonna be basically Scorpionaut if he was a car. Scorpionaut vehicle mode. Some of you guys might not even know what Scorpionaut is. He is the transformer that is a scorpion. But most of you guys, well, I'm an insane Transformers fan. If someone said, what one would you choose, Iron Man or Transformers? I would instantly say Transformers, no matter what. And you guys don't even try to make me change my mind. Just sit there. And always sit there. And then just add a super seat right about there. Power. Oh yeah, power engines right around there. Fuel. Super. And it will shoot off a self-destruct. Basically, I like to use it, and then I like it as a spring. And yeah, this is my scorpion. But if you want to make a bigger version of it, go ahead. If you don't, I know what you feel, because it takes a while. It's rude. Well, if you do, okay, guys, if you want to friend me, wait, here is my profile. If you want to friend me, here it is. Stop it right now to just read it. But if it's 2015, please just don't try it, because I will not have Xbox Live around that time. Or I might. Okay. Okay. And I'm glad I got that over. Because I could feel the comments and everything. I can feel yeah. Here it is. Scorpion. It's a scorpion. It's not really a scorpion, but I based it on it. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed, but first, before I leave, I will make one statement. Whoa! It does! It can climb and do that. But if you don't have any of that part, it won't be able to. And don't have any super parts, I feel like it will, and I knew what it felt like. Because just recently, a day ago, and all my videos have been published today, I didn't have them yesterday. Till the very end. And goodbye.